Okay, this is set 10, still Monday, but page 2 and 3. So we have our number of the day. It is 602 thousandths. So we're going to write 602. That's the number. The place value is thousandths. So we're going to write the word thousand and we're going to put a THS on it. If we're going to expand it, we start with 6/10. We don't have any hundredths, so we don't have to write anything there. It's just 0, but we do have 2 thousandths. So remember, this is our tenths, this is our hundredths, this is our thousandths. So that's how we write 2 thousandths. Okay, we're comparing it. Again, we're going to think money, guys. We're going to cover up that thousandths place, and we're going to say that's 60 cents. So we're going to write 60 cents. We're going to cover up the thousands. That's 84 cents. If that doesn't work, you can always stack it. But we have 60 cents and 84. So is 60 cents greater than or less than 84 cents? Well, we know it's less than. We're going to round it to the underlined place value. They've already underlined they've already underlined it for us. We circle the next number, we draw an arrow back, and we say, does that 0 change that 6? Well, obviously it doesn't, because 0 is nothing. So we know we are left with 6/10. Remember, this is the tenths place. So they're asking us to round to the tenths. So that's 6/10. Okay, we're estimating it. So let's go ahead and again think money. So this is 60 cents. We already rounded this one, so that's really easy. Well, if we're going to estimate it, we can leave it as 60 cents because it's already kind of an even number. But if we want to do it to the dollar, since our next number is dollars, is 60 cents closer to $1 or is it closer to nothing? Well, it's closer to $1, so we'll go ahead and round it up. Then we've got $2.40. Well, this is $2.40. Okay, y'all can pretend like there's a 0 here if we're thinking money. Well, does $2.40 round to $2 or does it round to $3? Well, 40 cents is not 50 cents. It's less than 50, so this is going to round to $2. So 2 plus 1 is $3. So this would estimate to about $3. Okay. It says, what is the value of the underlined digit? Well, here's our decimal, so we already know this is the tenths place. So what's the value of this? Well, the value in words is 6/10. The value in a decimal is 6/10, and the value as a fraction is 6/10. Remember, every decimal has a fraction, every fraction has a decimal. Well, this is not lowest term, so let's go ahead and reduce it. We're finding our common factor. Well, these are both even, so we know that 2 goes into both of these numbers. We know 2 is a factor of both of these. Well, the only thing that makes 6 is 2 times 3. Well, 3 doesn't go into 10 because 10 is even, and 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So 3 doesn't go into 10. So the only common factor they have is 2. So our super one's going to be 2 over 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. 10 divided by 2 is 5. These are both prime numbers, so we know we're finished. So there's our lowest terms. Okay, we're going to factor the number 13. We're always going to add the digits. 1 plus 3 is 4. That tells us if 3 and 9 are factors. So we know 3 and 9 are not going to be factors because neither one of those factors goes into 4. So we're always going to start with 1. We know 13 is odd, so we only have to check 3, 5, 7, and 9. Well, we've already checked 3 and 9 with our adding our digits, and we know those are out. Our next number is a 5. Well, this does not end in 5 or 0, so that's out. So the only other number we have to check is 7. 7, 14, well, it doesn't go into 13, so we're done. So guys, we only have 2 factors, which means 13 is a prime number. All right, our problem for the day. Miguel was filling goodie sacks for the track team of 25 kids. He needs to put 2 suckers in 15 bags. So 2 suckers in 15 bags. So those numbers are going to go together. And 3 suckers in 10 bags. So those are going to go together. He already has 45 suckers. how many more? Well, if we're trying to find how many more, we know at some point we're going to be subtracting. Okay, so do we understand the question? Well, it's saying that he needs 2 for 15, he needs 3 for 10, he already has 45, so we know we're going to be doing some multiplication and some subtraction. Okay, so we know we're going to be doing both of these computations. Do we have a plan? Well, we're first going to need to multiply our 2 times 15, and we're going to have to multiply our 3 times 10. We're going to have to get these answers, and then if he already has 45 and it says how many more, then we know at some point we're going to need to subtract. Okay, so let's solve this. So we've got 2 times 15, which is easy because y'all know that 15 doubled is 30. We've got 3 times 10, which again is easy because y'all know your 10. So 3 times 10 is 30. Well, this is the total number of suckers that he needs. So we need to add these together, which gives us 60. Well, it says he already has 45. How many more does he need? Well, if you already have 45 suckers and you need 60, then we know we're going to subtract 45. So 6 minus 4 is 2. Does our friend need help? Yes. So we're going to subtract 1 away from that 2 and put a 1. We're going to give that extra 1 to our friend. And 10 minus 5 is 5. So how many suckers does he need? He needs 15 more suckers. All right, great job, guys.